Look.
No.
Great. Okay. You entered the class. So how are you?
I'm good.
Oh, you're still eating?
Yeah.
You eat your lunch?
Oh, yeah.
I see. Okay, you drink water, okay? You can eat in class, look, because I know it's
So, it done it.
oh, you're done eating it. I see. Okay, drink water now. Are you
Oh,
still wearing your uniform?
yeah.
Mhm. I see you. Okay, can you see my background? Merry Christmas. Because
Yeah,
we
thank you.
celebrate Christmas. It's a
Yeah.
very festive month of the year.
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you do in the morning?
I go to my school to study with my friend.
I see. You study with your friend?
Yeah.
Is your classmate, your friend, your classmate, right?
Yeah.
Your friend is your neighbor too. Am I right?
Mm, yeah.
That's nice. Okay, so we will have a vocabulary lesson this afternoon. Do you have a notebook like this?
Mm,
Kindly put your the words that we've learned in this lesson in the in your notebook.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, I have a notebook.
Can I see?
Oh, here. See.
Okay, you've got also pen so that you can
Yeah.
write it in your
I
notebook,
have.
okay?
Yeah, I
All
have
right.
here.
Well, that's great. So, are you ready? Let's start.
Yeah.
I hope you can see it bigger. Is it bigger now?
Yeah, it's big.
Okay, very nice. All right, so this is it. Okay, we will learn vocabulary, okay? So, first word is dark.
Dark.
Yes, are you
It's
familiar
not
with Okay, go, read.
with no or very little light, especially because it is dark.
Yes. When you, for example, you're wearing a uniform, all you're wearing a dark color uniform. So when I say dark, like your color is black, am I right? Is it black? You're wearing now are dark colors, okay? You've got a
Oh,
dark color, blue, and dark and red and black. So those are dark color, okay? So that is dark.
okay.
Very little light or without any light. At night, it's very dark. You can only see moon and stars at night. No, that is dark, okay? But sometimes
Okay.
moon got a like for example full moon, you can see the surroundings, okay?
Okay.
So when you say dark, that means no light. For example, my phone. Can you see my phone? Oh, this is dark, okay, because it's black, all right? And this is what I'm
Oh,
talking about
yeah.
the moon, okay?
Okay.
During at night, it's dark, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, do you like dark color look?
No. Oh, yeah. I
What
like to.
You like it too? What color?
I like it with red and white.
Like this kind of red in my background?
Yeah.
By the way, white is light, okay? Light color. If you put the white in every color, like green, it becomes lighter. So white is light, not dark, okay?
Okay.
Next word is deep. Can you read? Dark is an adjective, right? You use it to describe someone or
Yeah.
something, okay?
Okay.
Now deep, please read.
Deep, having a large distance from top of surface or bottom
To bottom.
to bottom.
Deep, okay. Say the word for me, please. Deep.
Okay.
Say, I want to hear it. You read this word.
Deep.
Thank you. Okay, so when we say deep, that means this is the
Mm,
water, sea water. Okay, deep is large distance. When you large is a very okay, large distance
okay.
from the top to the bottom, bottom here like this. Okay, like in the ocean. Let me draw it for you. Like this is the ocean here, and this is here the bottom. So when you say deep, very large distance. Okay,
Okay.
like 1 million kilometer. That is deep. Okay.
Okay.
That is deep. All right. Remember from the top to the bottom, that is deep. A very large distance from the top to the bottom. Okay. Look. You can describe like deep, like for example, the word deep ocean, or deep lake. All right.
Okay.
Usually, deep describes about these two nouns here. Or you can also say deep sea. Okay?
Okay.
Because deep is an adjective. Okay,
Uh,
next word is icy,
I see.
which
It's a
means,
very cold.
yes, icy. Icy water. That means a very cold water. You use it to describe a water that you can see ice, but not everything is ice. It's got it's got liquid still, but there's ice. So you can say icy. Okay? Icy
Okay.
water. That means a very cold water, right?
Okay.
You got that, Luck?
Yeah.
Do you want to drink icy water?
No, because I'm have a sore throat.
A sore throat, yeah. Especially now in your country, it's winter, right?
Okay.
It's gonna be very cold if you drink icy water and the weather is very cold. That's bad for your health. Okay, next is narrow. Narrow. You say
Okay.
narrow, please.
Uh, is measuring
I want you to read the word first.
narrow
Na,
is mean
narrow.
narrow is measuring a short from one
Distance from
one side to the other, especially especially in relation or length.
A relation to length.
Okay.
Okay, so here.
Okay.
Now,
Uh.
when we say narrow, it's in relation to length. Okay, now let me just give you a a recap of a deep. Okay, deep is from here top to the bottom, right? When we say narrow, a very short distance like this. Okay,
Okay.
like a river. For example, narrow river. So I'm gonna draw a river. Okay, think that is a
Okay.
river. Wait a minute, let me draw it a green. This. Think that is a river. All right. So when we say narrow, the distance of the other side is very little, okay? It's very short. That
Okay.
is narrow, all right? The distance of the other side, A and B, is short. That is narrow, okay?
Okay.
When it comes to deep, this is the ocean here. The distance is very long, okay? So that is deep.
Okay.
Top to the bottom. Here to below, very long distance. When we say narrow, other side, left to right, very short only. Like a river, short only, okay? A river like this, okay?
Okay.
Now we usually talk about
Okay. Okay.
narrow bridge, or narrow river, okay?
Okay.
Usually describe it to bridge or river. You got that, Look? I want you to write all the things here in your notebook, okay?
Okay.
Next, what is it?
Is rocky.
Very good, rocky.
Is made a rock full of rock.
Yes, when you say rocky, that you can see something that is made of rock or something which is lots of rock. For example, road. Here in my country, we have rocky road. Now, when we say road, let me draw again. Let me just draw a road, okay? Let me see, like for example, white, you can see it. Or let's get black because you can't see it. For example, this is the road, right?
Yeah.
So usually our road is made of cement, sorry. So when we say rocky, there are lots of rock here like that.
Okay.
Okay? So if you can see a road that is lots of rock, these circles are rock, okay? Like that.
Okay.
If you can see lots of rock, that is rocky, okay? Why it's rocky? Because there's lots of rock in it, or it's made of rock, okay?
Okay.
Usually, when we say rocky, we pair it with road. We describe road as rocky,
Okay.
rocky road, okay? You got that, Look?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, next is the word shallow.
No.
Can you say the word first? Shallow.
Shallow.
Mm.
Not having much distance between the top or surface and the bottom.
Surface and the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, so here, when we say shallow, shallow is the very opposite of deep, okay? Very opposite of, like that, of the word deep. Again, let me discuss deep again. Now, when the deep, top to the bottom, very long distance, okay? Like the ocean. Now, when we say shallow, top, bottom, here only. Very short, okay? So I'm going to draw something for you. Let's start with shallow. Shallow, this is the river, and these are rocks. Very short distance. Okay? Like for
Okay.
example, you're stepping on the river. This is your knees, and this is your foot, like that.
Okay.
Okay? Very short distance only. Can you see that? That is
Okay.
shallow. Now, when you say deep, this
Okay.
is the ocean or the sea. Very long distance. And you are here swimming. Okay?
Okay.
You're swimming. So that is deep. You can swim. But in here, you can't swim because it's below the knee, right? Oh, above the knee, right? It's above the knee. The water is above the knee, and there are rocks it like this. So that is
Mm,
shallow. And here is deep. You got that? Look.
mm, I don't know clearly.
Okay. So which word do you think is very confusing?
Okay.
Which word that you don't know? This word, shallow.
Uh, Shallow. Okay.
Okay, shallow, look, this is the top, okay? For this is the top, or let's say, let's make a house. Okay, this is a house. This is the top, letter T, and this is the bottom, okay? So
Okay.
when we say shallow, only 3 meters only. The house is only 3 meters. That is shallow, okay? But if you think
Mm,
deep, let's say this is the house, like that. This is the top, and this is the bottom. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is, this example is shallow, very like this only. Okay. Oh, wait. I dropped my maps. I'm back. And this
yeah.
is deep. Okay. Let's think about,
Okay.
let's think also a mountain. When you say shallow, so when you say shallow, these are hills. Okay.
Okay.
When you say deep, those are mountains. Okay. All right.
Mm, yeah.
Or let's say about ocean or sea. Shallow, this is the sea, and the bottom. Okay, bottom. That is shallow, very close only. But when we say deep, this is the ocean, and this is the bottom. Okay? Different. Deep is different of shallow. Okay?
Okay.
You got that? Look.
Yeah.
Okay, next is steep.
Steep. Rushing or fall,
Rising,
rising or falling quickly, not
not
gradually,
gradually.
not gradually.
Yes, like for example, steep road, steep,
Okay.
well, I'm gonna write it, steep path. It's just, when you say steep path, it's like this, okay?
Okay.
Very like going to the mountains. Not gradually. Gradually is like this, like stairs, okay? That
Okay.
is gradually. But when it comes to steep, like this, okay? Now you are here. You're walking to the steep path like that.
Okay.
So, you got that?
Mm.
So, you got that. Look, do you have any
Yeah.
question?
No.
Okay, let's make sentences now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Use
What
dark in a sentence.
is last night was very dark.
Very good.
Uh
Deep.
is this hole is very deep.
Very good. Next, I see.
Uh the ice cream this ice cream was very icy.
You can say this ice cream is icy, or this is a very icy ice cream. Okay.
Okay.
Next, narrow.
Okay. Uh
Like
narrow
this.
is this this room is very narrow.
Okay, next, Rocky.
Is this wall is very rocky.
Hmm. Okay, you can also say this is a rocky wall.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, next.
Shallow is this pool is very shallow.
Okay. Or this is a shallow
Mm,
pool. Okay.
okay. This
Next.
mountain is very steep.
Very good. Okay, good job, look. Good job. That's awesome. Now look at the photos. Now these are activities here: walking, hiking, rock climbing, cave diving, kayaking. Now, which of these activities here that you like or you already experience?
Uh,
Or-
uh,
Of course, you experience walking, right?
yeah.
How about hiking?
Hiking is mm, hiking is B.
Hiking is B, okay?
Mm, can you repeat the question?
Okay, my question is which of these that you tried already?
Mhm. I try walking. That's it. Yeah.
Just walking? How about hiking?
Uh, no, I haven't.
I see. Kayaking. Have you tried kayaking?
Uh, mm, I uh, I have walking also.
Kayaking, I mean.
No.
I see. But which of these that you think you enjoy doing, which of these activities that you think you
Okay.
enjoy doing?
Mm, mm. Can you repeat again?
Okay. Which of these activities here that you think you enjoy doing?
I think I will enjoy rock climbing. Climbing.
Rock climbing. Be
Yeah.
there is silent. Shh. So instead of saying climbing, you say climbing. Okay?
Okay. Climbing.
Oh, that's one of the extreme activities that you can think of here. May I know why you think that rock climbing interesting?
Because I can see the I can see the scenery, scenery, scenery.
Mm-hmm. I see. When you're climbing, you can see a very nice scenery. Yes?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. I think I need to download this because we are going to
Uh,
to listen to a. Wait a minute. That's wrong. Okay, now go ahead. Look, I want you to match two or more nouns with the photo, okay? Not just only one,
okay.
but in the photo. All right, two or only nouns in the photo. I want you to look everything and what you can see in each photo, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Mm,
I want you to write, for example, letter A, you write your answer here. Letter B, you write your answer here. C and D. Okay? C, E, D,
uh,
E. All right?
okay. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Let me mute my.
I have an in here.
Look, you say.
I have an here.
You can hear it after you answer, okay?
Okay.
Because you are going to listen to the answer. But first, you match first, okay? You answer first. Letter A, what you can see? Cave? Cliff?
Mm, is that I read write it
You
in
write,
a
you write it here. You need to
Uh,
write
when
it.
I when I hear it.
No, you write it now. After you're done writing, I'm going to play the audio, okay? You must
Yeah.
answer first and then I play, okay?
Okay.
Oh, can you write it in here? Because it's very confusing, look. Write it only in here. Because it's very confusing. If you write letter E, maybe you've got two letter E's. Okay, very good. Tell me when you're done.
Okay. Yeah, I have done it, I think.
Okay. So, letter A, your answer is cave and shore, yes? Only two?
Um,
So here, letter A is forest. What do you think forest? This is a forest. And river, below it is a river. Rocks, can you see rocks? And also waterfall. Can you see there? That is a waterfall, okay? Next, letter B, hill, rocks, and valley. Hill, very good. Next is
uh,
cliff, ocean. Letter C, cliff, ocean. This is a cliff. Ocean, rocks. Only rock, you're right. This one, no. And then letter D, cave, ocean, waterfall. You forgot the cave. And
uh,
letter E, lake, mountain. You can see the mountains there, right? And shore.
oh,
You can see the shore there, right?
yeah.
Yes, that is it all.
Unit 2,
Listen.
Lesson 2A, Exercise 2. A.
There are two people on a bridge near a forest.
I'm sorry.
There's a waterfall and some rocks below them. The bridge goes across a river.
B.
There is a man standing on some rocks at the top of a hill. He's looking out over a valley.
C.
This man is climbing up a cliff. You can see the ocean and the rocks below.
D.
This diver is inside an underwater cave in the ocean. He's looking between the rocks.
E.
This person is in a small boat. It's a kayak. The kayak is on a lake near the shore. In the background, there are mountains.
Okay? Can you hear it clearly? Okay, so this is the transcript. Can you read letter A?
There are two people on a bridge near the forest. There's a waterfall and some rock below them. The bridge goes around across a river.
Yes. Letter B?
There is a man standing on some rock at the top of the hill. He is looking out over the valley.
Letter C?
This man is climbing up a cliff. You can see the ocean and the rock below.
Letter D?
This diver is inside an underwater cave in the ocean. He's looking between the rock.
Letter E?
The person is in a small boat. Is a kayak. The kayak is on a lake near the shore. In the background, there are mountains.
Okay, thank you. So that is it all. Look. So now look, these words look. I want you, this is your homework look, okay? I want you to explain these words for me. Write it in your write it in a clean paper and explain to me in your own words, not the meaning of not these meaning, okay? I'm gonna mark you wrong if these the meaning you are going to write in your homework. All right? Based on your understanding, what are these words? What are the oh, let me write it in your Okay, so in here, look, I'm gonna show it to you. Wait a minute.
Okay.
It's very easy words because we already tackled this, right? So based on your understanding, look, what is dark, what is deep, what is icy and narrow, rocky, shallow, and steep. Give one example each. Okay, for example, the meaning of the dark, and then you write the example. Say example.
Okay.
It is a very dark cave. Okay?
Okay.
And first you explain to me,